Particular video, I'm going to show you how you can use CapCut to edit your pictures from this to this. So let me take you through how it's been done. So now I'm going to head over to my CapCut application. And mind you, I'm using the premium version, so I don't know if this is going to work if you're using the free version. All right, so I come here to CapCut and I'm going to click on edit photos. So I come here and I'm going to select the photo that I want to work on. So let's go and look for the photo I want to work on. So let's say this is the picture that I'm going to use. I'm going to pick one of these pictures, okay? So this is one picture that I want to use. So this particular picture, let's edit this picture now to look better than the way it is. So the first thing you want to do is to come here to where you have this particular AI edit, right? I come to AI edit and I'm going to click here and say, make my face a little bit smooth and fine. Change my lipstick to red. So I click go and then it will start generating it. Okay, so you give it a little bit of, let's say, a few seconds and it will be done editing, and then you see the final picture. So from there you keep giving it the prompt, like change my outfit, change the background of my car, change my hairstyle, and just like that you just prompt it to give you what you want, right? So I've been using this particular feature, like some of these pictures you're seeing on my screen right now. That was how I edited them. I was able to change my hair to different style, you get. So you can see now it was able to change my, you see how I look right now, but I don't really like this particular one, so I'm just going to go back. That it changed my face too much. Okay, so I come here now and I'm going to say, I'll just set it to say change my lipstick to light brown. Okay, you see what it did to my picture, my lip, right? So I still don't like this, so I'm going to go back again. So now let's tell it to change my hairstyle to a bone straight. All right, guys, I hope you can see my hair now. So it has changed my hair from the way it is to this particular bone straight, and by so doing my face look a bit better than the way it was, right? So now let's save this particular picture. So if I'm okay with this, I'm just going to save it. So that's what I did. I just kept saving the pictures just like that. So this particular one is saved. I'm going back to it and I'm going to tell it to do another thing. So I'm going to say change my car background to an SUV. Okay, so it's going to change the car background now to that of an SUV, like the way SUV looks behind. Okay, you see the background? This is an SUV background. That's what that's given to me. All right, so if I don't like it, I can easily just go back and say leave it the way it is, right? So that is how to use this particular tool. I can also say change the hair to a to another style. So you can see now it has changed the bone straight to another style of bone straight, not the brown type that we had before. All right, so you can prompt it the way you want. So I'm going to say change my outfit to a blazer. So let's see what it is. Change my outfit to a blazer of nice color that suits my color. Okay, all right, so can you see my blazer? You see my blazer that I'm putting on? It's now looking different. I love this, to be honest. So I'm going to save this as usual to my device, and just like that. So I can do this particular outfit now, change my outfit to a different color of blazer, just like that. Just have random pictures Okay, all right. So that is how it's going to be. I can say change my settings to be in a cozy studio, well seated for a photo shoot. So let's see this outcome. Let's see this particular outcome, right? Okay, so can you see how it looks? We've changed the background entirely. So this is so amazing. I really love this particular feature on CapCut. It's so nice. So as usual, I can just save. If there's anything I want to take out, I can also take out. I could say make me to be standing very tall. I would want to say remove this particular ID card you're seeing here. Just like that. You can also explore other features like this effect, this star icon you're seeing here. If you click on this star icon, you get to see different style that you can just click on and then it will turn it to that particular picture for you. Are you seeing this now? You can turn yourself into a New York giant, somebody who is standing so tall. You see various options. You can turn them to any of these things you're seeing here. Okay, so you see them, you see the trending ones, you see the portraits. You can turn it into anything that you so desire, right? So that is how to change your pictures, get studio shots using CapCut. So I'm really so impressed with this particular one because I asked it to make me stand and my neck should not be bent. And I'm so excited that it was able to get my exact body type very well. This is so amazing. To be honest, I love this particular picture. Now let's tell it to change my outfit. Change my outfit to a nice sleeveless gown, sleeveless Valentine outfit for a dinner date. So let's see what it's going to bring out for us. Let's see what this particular one is going to look like, to be honest. Oh wow, this is so nice. I think I'm loving this outfit. I'm honestly loving this so much. So let's save this now. Another thing I want to do is to tell it to remove the ID card by the side. Okay, let's see how it's going to look like. So that way I can style it to look a certain way, like a kind of, I don't know, how do they call these clothes that have a very tiny hand? I think that's what I'm going to create next. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I think this is nice and I'm going to save it as well. Okay, so as usual, I'll go back. So now let's make my eye contact to be looking at the camera and face well adjusted. Also change my dress to a kind of singlet type, singlet tiny hand. So let's see what this will come out. Oh wow, this is nice. The only issue I have now is my face. The only issue I have now is my face. so so let's see how we can work on the face. My face looks rough. Make it balance with the right makeup and blend them together. Okay, so let's hope that it's able to save. Honestly, I'm loving this particular effect on CapCut because this is me just exploring and it's just going so well, right? I love clothes like this, to be honest. I don't like this type. it has changed how my face looks at the moment. So I'm going to take it back and I don't know the right word to give it to it to adjust my face well. Okay, so let's say, okay, color tone even. Okay, it tried, but I think the brightness is too much if you ask me. So I'm going to tell it to the entire picture is too bright. Change background to shaded room. All right, so I think this is getting better. Can you see this is getting better? So I think I'm actually loving how it's going. Right. So with this, I will just keep prompting it until I get the face adjustment very well. But then that's how you can use CapCut. Okay.